In this video, we're going to be installing Jupyter Notebook in Windows 10. Now, this is a fresh installation of Windows 10, so I actually don't have Python installed in the system. So the first thing I'm going to do is navigate to python.org, and on the website, I'm going to go to the Downloads menu item, and underneath there, select Windows. I'm going to click the download button. This should automatically start the download, and once that completes, I'm going to click Open File here. Now, when the installer opens, I do want to select the option at the bottom to add Python to my path. This will make things a lot easier going forward. So if it is unchecked, do make sure it is checked, and then click on Install Now. Windows will, of course, prompt us to verify that we do want this installer to make changes to our device, which we do. So I'm going to click Yes. This will start the installation process. And once it is finished, we can simply click Close. And now Python is installed and ready for use in the system. So we're going to exit this. And I'm going to go down to the search bar here and type command prompt. And I want to open the command prompt, but I want to run this as administrator since we're going to be installing some things. Okay, first let's verify that Python is in fact installed. So I'm going to type py -- version, and we get back Python 3.9.6, which is perfect because we just installed it. We also need to verify that pip is installed and it has the correct version. So I'm going to type pip -- version, and we see that we have pip 21.1.3. At this point, we actually have everything we need to install Jupyter Notebook, so we can follow the instructions that were on the Jupyter Notebook website, which is simply to run pip install notebook. We'll hit enter. This will start the installation. And once it finishes, we can actually just type Jupyter Notebook to start a notebook server. This should automatically open up a web browser and point us to Jupyter Notebook server. And now we are ready to use Jupyter Notebook.